Can you hear the thing going?
Are you ready?
She's about to. Are you ready, Jess?
We're about to do
Here we go.
Jess's cat.
Do it. Oh, here she goes.
Oh my god. Here we go. Everybody be still.
Okay. She's doing it now. Jess is being extremely calm. No, don't shake.
Patrick, no. Are you okay?
Oh, wow. No, she's actually really fine, it looks like. She looks like she's meditating.
No, trust me, she's not fine.
Oh, wow. It hurt? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, man.
Like I said, if I hurt you, get out some of that anger, tense up.
Oh, man.
Be still.
It's like, on her ankle, like on the side up a bit on the leg. Oh, man.
Oh.
Say hi to Maddie.
Hi, Maddie.
She said, hey, girl.
I'm getting a tattoo.
Yeah.
Holy shit. That makes you so awesome, Jack. Dude.
Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Almost done. Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of ink.
It is a lot of
Holy
ink.
shit. My mom's gonna be so proud of me.
Oh, yes, I'm proud of you. Oh.
Oh, that's not even as bad as I thought it would be. Like, there was places that hurt
Are
really
you done
bad.
now, or?
No. There's still white places. I can see them.
Yeah. I just done the outline.
Yep. Here.
Hello. Hey.
What
Oh,
happened
it's
to
not
that rubber
over
band
yet.
break?
Oh. It hurts. Oh, God. Yeah. I'm biting my lip. I think it's bleeding. It tastes like blood. Oh. Yeah, it is. Parker's looks really good. The same thing as me. We're doing it as a twin thing. Yeah. But I'm definitely gonna go with you to yours. Oh. Okay, no, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how many people are here. Parker's not even here.
1, 2,
Ah!
3, 4 people watching.
Oh, that hurt. Oh, jeez. Parker went to the store to get something for tattoos.
1, 2.
That hurt.
Oh, shut up.
Oh. How much more? Patrick, Cassie, Colton. Oh, hold on. Talk to Patrick.
Hello? Huh? D-Rock, May, Colton, and Cassie. D-Rock, Dwayne. Say hi, Dwayne.
Oh.
What? No.
That girl? Oh, you got your charger with you?
Almost done.
Same one you get.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask her, but I don't know if she'll do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll ask her though.
A lot.
I haven't been.
You bleeding?
That'd be great, 'cause mine is still really
Are we almost done? Mm-hmm. Okay.
You're almost there. You're on the home straight.
Therapy. You can come with me.
I wish this was a full one. I'd give it.
Is it done?
I think so.
Hold on, I'm about to ask her.
Oh my god, that was like, what, 2 minutes and she's dead.
Hey, since you already have your stuff out, will you go over mine? Because it looks really crappy.
Can't tell me it doesn't feel like a sunburn. I don't know what it feels like. Oh.
Okay, now go to the bathroom and wash it with some antibacterial soap.
Just made it. Look at my leg. Oh!
Man.
Go wash it so I can make sure I got all the spots and there's no ink sticking to it.
That was awesome.